Hi guys, good afternoon everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Wandering Higurata Vlog. Hello, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Hello world. Kamusta ang Christmas ninyo? Masaya ba? I hope because masaya naman kami dito. Ayan, maganda ang panahon ngayon dahil hindi mainit. Mahangin, pero mas maganda itong mahangin kaysa mainit. Ayan. Maganda ang Christmas ngayon dahil walang bad news. I've been watching the news on TV every day ay puros masaya, kaya sana ganito forever. Diba? Ayan, ngayon mayroon akong basket dito dahil mamimitas tayo ng aking tanim. Diba? Ayan. Ang tanim ko dito ay kamatis. Ayan po. Nung isang araw, namitas tayo. Pero, ngayon, mamimitas tayo uli kasi sayang naman. Ayan po. Yan, mayroon akong dalang basket ba? Yan, may napitas na ako. Ngayon, tignan nyo ang kamatis, oh. Diba, hinog na sila? Ayan. Yan ang sabi nila. Pag may tinanim ka, may aaninin. Diba? Ayan. Ayan, diba? Dapat pala may dala akong gunting. Kasi maganda ito na, ayan, nalalaglag na sila. Ayan, ilang puno lang. Ito, isang puno lang. At saka, alam nyo ba, pinakita ko nung isang araw. Nung isang araw, namitas tayo pang Christmas salad natin. Ngayon, ito na naman. Isang puno lang ito. Sabi ko sa iyo ay kunin natin kasi sayang. Diba? Oh. Ayan. Ang dami, oh. Ayan. Kasi pag hindi natin kunin ito, babalik ito sa sa lupa. Ay habang ang dami doon sa ilalim, oh. Habang ang kamatis ay shit, sorry. Mamitas na lang tayo dito sa garden. Ayan. Alam niyo ba? Isang lang ito. Ayun. Ay, naku po. Ang hirap kunin. Ay, sus, nagkakalaglag na. Yan. Ayun, ang dami. Yan. Ang sarap mamitas. Pagtanim mo, ang dami doon sa loob, Yan. Yan, daming kamatis. Yan. Kamatis is everywhere. Oh. Ayan po. There's some more here. Ayan. Look. Got some too much tomatoes here. Yan. Diba? Ano ang mga iba sira? Ayan, ang dami kong nakuha. Dami pa dito. Magtingin tayo doon sa ilalim. Ayan, doon pa. Ayan. Ay, ang sarap. Sarap mamitas ng iyong tanim. Yan. My goodness. Nung isang araw, kinuha ko rin ito. Ngayon, sorry. Ngayon, hinog na naman. Yun. Ay, my God. Nagtatago sila sa tanim dahil mainit ngayon. Kaya, yak. Kaya, doon sila sa ilalim. Ay, ayan. Ang mga iba ay nasubrahan sa ang iba sobra sa hinog. Pero dito alright lang. Ayan. Ay, kunin na lang natin kasi mamaya maano ito, ma-overripe. Hindi na sila pwede. Ay, aray ko. Ayan. Diba? Ay, sus. Mahirap mamitas. Ayan po. O, yun. Diba? Araw-araw. Ang dami pa. Ang dami pa ng green. Ang dami. After tomorrow, pwede na naman ito. Dahil mainit ang panahon. Ayan. Ay, sus Mariusip. Malaglag pa ang yung glasses ko dito. Ayan. Ito naman turmeric. Wala naman pakinabangan isang turmeric. Ano ito? Ayan. Andoon pang dami. Yun. Ay, naku po. Sarap mamitas ng kamatis. Ayan, oh. Nakatagos sila. Ayan, ang dami, oh. Alam mo, hindi ko ito tinanim. Galing lang ito sa ano. Ay, sus mo. Maggawa ako ng ano mamayang gabi. Ng sinigang. Yan. Gawa ako ng sinigang mamayang gabi. Kayo ba naglalagay ng kamatis pag kayo ay nagsinigang? Masarap. Subukan nyo. Ayan, oh. Dako ang dami doon. Hindi ko magawa. At ito pa. Ayan, ayan, ayan. Ay, ang sarap. Alam niyo, ang tamis pa nito. Kinakain ko na. Yay. Mga overripe ang mga iba. Kinakain ko ito na ano, ganun lang siya. Ay, hindi hugasan ito. Dahil ulan ng ulan. Ay, sus Maria. Ano ba ito? Ayan. Ang galing, oh. Yan, ayan. Diba? Anong tawag yan? Ayun. Isang puno. Oops. Meron pa doon. Isang puno na naman. Ay. Ayan, oh. Guys, tignan nyo ang kamatis ko, oh. Galing. Yan. Oh. Paano ako pupunta doon? Ay, ang dami pa doon, oh. Yan. Uy. Sarap man, uy. Aray. Ayan, oh. Diba? Galing. Yan. Saan pa ako pupunta? Ay, ayaw ko na mag-apak kasi maaapakan ko sila. Sayang naman. Nasisira. Ayan, dami pa dito. Oh. Yun. Ayan, sabi ko sa iyo. Eh. Ayan. Ay, sus Maria. Ayan. Isang punong kamatis. Pero ang dami ng bunga. Tingnan. Mapupunin na yung basket ko. Aray. Hindi ko na kaya ito. Is there any more? My God, how can I get there? Diba? Ang galing. Galing ang aking kamatis. Ang dami ng bunga. Ayan. Diba? Uy. Uy, napupunta sila sa kabila. Ayan. Shit. Oh, sorry. This one is going next door. Come here. You don't belong there. Alright. Ayan. Ang dami doon. Kaso lang nabulok na. Ayan. Matamis ito. Ayan. Aywan ko. Alis ako muna. Ayan. Itong maliit na kamatis. Oh. Ay! 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 Ito rin, andito rin siya, oh. Basta't kung saan-saan lang siya tumutubo, oh. Ayan, may nalaglag doon. Tapos sumubo na rin. Ayan, may. Diba? Oh, may nalaglag dito. Tumubo na rin. Ayan. Punta tayo dito. Ayan, oh. Ay, ito naman. Yan. Ito pala. Ay, wala. Kasi, mas maganda ito kung natutubigan eh. Ayan. Ayan. Nakita nyo ba ang nakuha ko? Yun oh. Ay, ang sarap. Ayan. Diba? Oh, yun yung nakuha ko kanina. Ay, sus Maria. Ayan, tatlo. Mga ganon. O, dalawa. Meron pa. Hi, Sandra. Hello. I'm so excited to video my tomatoes. I got so. It's only.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah. Oh my God. I got also Christmas time, and now they're still ripe.
Yeah, I can see some still there.
Yeah, I know. I think the more you gather them, the more they come up. Yeah.
I think you're right too.
Yeah. How is your Christmas? Good. Did you go away or you stayed home?
My daughter, one daughter lives at Windaroo and one lives at Cooperoo, so
Yeah.
we went up to Cooperoo for the day.
Also, like what we do with my daughter, this Christmas is my house and then last Christmas was hers. So that it's not boring, you know. So
Yeah, no, then you don't have to do all the work.
exactly. So yeah, we had also Christmas here a bit because they went away. They went for holiday, so I have to wait for them. They got the early Christmas holiday, so they went away for a week, and then I said it's supposed to be Christmas, you know, but they said, hey, it doesn't matter, it's all good. So I said, all right. So we had our Christmas party on Boxing Day, so that was so good. Exactly, which suits you. Yeah, you know.
It's all overgrown.
You know this one? What do you call it? You know the one
Is
that.
that the one that gets the fruit?
Yeah, what do you call that?
Michael, what's that fruit called?
The one that you eat.
The one that you eat? What's the fruit? You've got one at the back.
Yeah.
What's it called? Hey? No. You know the purple fruit that joins the flower.
Red.
Dragon
Dragon
fruit.
fruit. Does it fruit?
Well, it depends. Some dragon fruit, but some just have a beautiful flower.
Flowers.
And they don't fruit. So
Exactly,
we've
because
got one that doesn't fruit, and then we've got one that does.
this one got a white flowers but at night.
Yes.
And they smell good. And then during the day they just die.
Well, then that's not a fruiting one.
Yeah, so I said to my uncle, I want the one that fruits. So he gave me one and it's there at the back.
Yeah.
So I got lots, maybe a dozen, and I saw little
Little fruit.
fruit. So I said, wow, it's fruiting. So I go there every day and take the photo. And then all of a sudden they just died. So I said, well, so anyway, I went to this, what do you call this, nursery, and asked them, why is it that my dragon fruit doesn't go big and they just die? I said, oh, you need some bees to penetrate the fruits, the plants. I said, hang on, I got plenty of bees in my house. Down there, remember? I got so much bees there. So why is it that they can't just go there? So that she said, yeah, that's the problem. You need some bees to penetrate so that it will fruit. Well, it doesn't make sense to me, I think. So I said, well, you're the expert because you own a nursery. So, well, last year got so many flowers. This year got so many. Again, it's more than a dozen. They got big flowers. And I said, oh my God, I'm so excited. They're just gone. So if
We've
you,
got this huge plant at the back,
yeah,
but we've had
I'm not taking your video. I'm taking the, I'm talking to my neighbors anyway. Sandra. So it's good. Yeah, so you got no fruits as well?
only two. And it's a huge plant.
Okay. So this one also gets a lot of sunshine,
Yeah.
but doesn't. So maybe, as you said, some fruits, some doesn't. So I said, I'm going to kill this, but then I said, it's been here for 5 years, so because you don't benefits on it. So
What have you got growing in there? In this tree stuff?
the
Here.
which one?
Is that a plant growing?
Oh, this one.
Yeah.
Oh, I just cut what do you call this? You know those crucifix.
Oh yeah, I know.
What do you call it?
Yeah.
The crucifix.
Yeah.
I'm not good with the names. Hi.
I know them all.
Orchids.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This
They're
is,
lovely,
yeah, I put white, red, and orange. So it's not flowering yet, so I want to see. I just put it there and now it's really growing well.
Lovely, I can see it.
Yeah, so I'm just waiting for the flowers.
Anytime you want to cut anything off here, please do. Like Brendan, if you want any plants, take it.
Well, this one, Sandra.
You'd like me, yeah, you'd like me to cut it right off? wouldn't you?
Nah,
Yeah,
that's all right because
I know.
it give a shade there too. When the grandkids come, they go there and look and sort of give them something to do, you know.
Yeah.
Well, have a nice New Year. If we don't talk,
We are going away for the new year, only not overnight, but
yeah,
we're going for the new year. Day.
go away for a drive. That's good. You go, yeah, yeah. We might go for a drive too. So go and see the kids because one of my daughter is now in Talabijira
Oh, okay.
camping
Don't
until
think so
after
bad,
New
though,
Year's.
isn't it?
Oh, they like camping, but I don't really like camping.
Oh,
I don't
camping.
know.
Right.
It's hot.
It is hot.
Yeah, but then they like to go in the water, and I said, no, I don't like going to the water anymore. I'm dark enough already.
People are still to your colour.
Oh, well, I like to be white. Look,
If you
I put
white, you
sun
wanna be
cream.
dark, and if you're dark, you want to be
It's exactly. I put sun cream and so on, and I put umbrella. Still, I don't go. And that's why I don't like going to the water. Nah, too much. It's too hot. All right, have a nice New Year.
Okay, nice chat.
Not chatting to you, although we are neighbors, but we never talk.
No, we don't.
We are always busy.
Oh, well.
Yeah. All right. I keep finishing these tomatoes. That's it, guys. I went and talked to my neighbor. She's a nice lady. Her name is Sandra. She's a very nice lady. So, yeah. So, we talk about our Christmas. You might have listened to our conversation. So, that's it. Thank you very much for watching my video today. I wish you all Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. If you didn't subscribe, please like, comment, and subscribe. Before we go, shout out to my neighbor. Before we go, shout out to my viewers. Shout out to my. I'm still getting my tomatoes done there. Silent viewers and the subscribers and new subscribers. Thank you very much for watching. I see you in my next video. Look at the last one I got. See that? So beautiful. I tried to eat one and it's safe, it's sweet. Oh wow, wow. This must be good, huh? We'll try. We don't need to wash this because it's there we go. Very sweet, guys. So sweet. Bye everyone. Have a happy new year. Safe and wish you all happy new year everyone. Bye! See you in my next video.